Recently, the Doomsday clock was adjusted again. Do you know what this clock is and whether it can be turned back? 78 years ago, in 1947, scientists created the Doomsday clock as a symbolic attempt to assess how close humanity is to destroying the world. And just recently, this clock was set to 89 seconds to midnight. Midnight symbolizes the moment when humans make the Earth completely uninhabitable. According to the bulletin, the clock is not meant to precisely measure existential threats, but rather to initiate discussions. In society on complex scientific topics, such as climate change, we move the clock hands closer to midnight because we do not see sufficient positive progress in addressing the global issues we face, including nuclear risk, climate change, and biological threats, said Daniel Holtz, chairman of the Science and Security Board of the Bulletin. And an appropriate question arises: what can we, ordinary people, do to turn back the time? Scientists say that it requires serious work and global interaction at all levels of society. That is, our collective discussion and raising this topic in general will encourage our politicians to take positive action. We quote, "You may not feel it because you are doing nothing. But we know that public participation encourages leaders to act," said one of the scientists. It turns out that the personal actions of each individual can have a huge impact. Moreover, there are already developments capable of restoring life to our planet. For example, today progressive scientists propose the mass implementation of atmospheric water generators, which can extract water from the air. This would help not only to provide water to the entire world, but also to clean the ocean and significantly reduce vapor in the atmosphere. And this will reduce the number and strength of storms, hurricanes, and floods that are currently occurring all over our planet. How important do you think this is? And would you like to have such an atmospheric water generator at home?